Write the question. PQRS is a diameter. PQRS is a diameter. The start question. PQRS is a diameter. PQRS is a diameter of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. PQRS is a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay. PQRS is a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Like this. PQRS. PQRS is a PQRS is a diameter of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay. The length PQ, QR and RS are equal. PQ, QR, RS are equal. Length PQ, QR and RS are equal. Length PQ, QR and RS are equal. Okay. Semicircles are drawn on PQ. Semicircles are drawn on PQ. Semicircles are drawn on PQ. QS as diameters as shown in the figure. Semicircles are drawn on PQ and QS as shown in the figure. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. Question clear or not? Once again, PQRS is a diameter of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Length PQ, QR, RS are equal. Semicircles are drawn on PQ, QS as diameter as shown in the figure. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. Okay. PQ is a diameter, one semicircle here. This is another one. Okay. This is the shaded one. Okay. You have to find out perimeter and area. So I'm just calling here A. This is B. This is C. Okay. So don't. I'll show this one. Okay. Don't write now. Perimeter means what? PAQ. PAQ plus arc QBS plus arc PCS. Is it okay? Wait. Freishner, listen. After I'll give a hint. I'll explain to you. Okay. Okay. So first of all, look. PAQ you have to find out. QBS you have to find out. PCS also you have to find out. Okay. My question. Hello. My question is before starting. PQR is a diameter of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So diameter how much? PQRS is a diameter of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Diameter is 12. Diameter is 12. Therefore, PQ, QR, RS how much? PQ how much? QR how much? RS how much? It is 4 each. So this is 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Okay. Now you try yourself. Now 3. Near. That total is 12. Total is 12. PQ, QR, RS are equal. So how much each? 4 each. 4. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Yashvi, you're there or not? Okay. Listen. Okay. You continue. Yashvi, listen here. Your doubt question. The last part I'll explain to you. We got the equation like this: y square minus 6y minus 39 equal to 0. When we solve this one, we'll get 6 plus or minus root of 192 divided by 2. Okay, so the first part, look at here. The first point is, what is the first point? First point, 1 minute, let me check the question. I think 4 minus 4, 3. This is 4, 3. Okay, so the triangle can be this way, and also you got x equal to 0, you got, right? No? Yashvi, x equal to 0, that means it can be here or here, this way. Okay, it can be here or here. But how we, but the question is saying, it is the vertex is in interior part of the triangle. Okay, so look at here, 6 plus is, if it is 6 plus root of 192, it's positive. Why is positive? Why positive means it is got here. Listen, 6 plus root of 192. Root of 192, let me check. Just can you check the root of 192 just for time being? Just check root of 192, how much? Almost 13. Almost 13 point something. Okay. 6 plus 13, that is a positive value. Yashvi, understood what I said? 6 plus 13, 19 by 2. That is y is positive. If it is y positive, it will be here only. So our answer should be 6 minus root of 192 divided by 2. That time, this should be here. That time only, vertex on the vertex is interior part of the triangle. Is it okay? Clear now? Okay. So, okay, continue your part. Okay. Okay, listen now, come back to the question. Here, PQ, you have to find out PAQ, QBS, and PCS. Find first. First, find the perimeter, then I'll discuss the area. Okay. Because okay. Perimeter is 6.25. I don't think. No, it's wrong. Not 6.25. 37 may be right. Okay. Megan, getting or not? Look at here, Freishner, you're right. Okay, correct, you're right. Okay, I'll wait. Okay. Prashner, if you want, you can try area also, okay? Because since you got the answer now. Okay. Okay, look at here. Those who are doubt, listen here. Hello. For the question understood now. Hey, hello, listen here. First of all, you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means PAQ, perimeter of the shader region. That means PAQ plus QBS plus SCB. Okay, start from PAQ plus QBS plus SCP. Okay. We understood that PQ, QR, RS is 4 centimeter each. So arc PAQ half pi r into 2 pi. Correct or no? Because here radius is 2. Then arc QBS pi into 4. That is 4 pi. Then last one, arc PCS pi into 6. That is 6 pi. The radius is 6. Total is 12 pi. Then 12 into 22 by 7. You calculate that. 12 into 22 by 7, how much? I think 12 into 22 by 7 is 37.71. 37.71 centimeter. 37.71 centimeter. Okay. Danish, is it okay? Vidya. Ramsha, is it okay? Nazarene. Mega, it's okay now? You understood how you did? PAQ, a semicircle. QBS, semicircle. PCS, a semicircle. Okay. Complete all this one. Then we'll start the area. Okay, so now second part. We have to find out the area. Listen here. Area, I'm finding like this. Area under PAQ plus area under PCS. Listen, area under PAQ plus PCS minus area under QBS. Is it okay? These are the plan okay or not? The shaded area equal to, listen, the shaded area equal to area under PAQ plus PCS minus QBS. Is it okay? Reisner, I think it's wrong. Is it okay, Madhav? The plan understood or not? Dilna, plan okay or not? Plan is area under PAQ half pi r square plus area under PCS again half pi r square, r is 6. Then minus area under QBS, r is 4. Okay, find out that. Okay. I don't think your answer correct. Abel, check again. Aksha, you got? Okay. I'll wait. Video is not clear. It's clear for me. Yeah, you can rejoin, no problem. Okay. I didn't see you last class, Tanmay. What happened last class? Oh, okay. 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 Look at here. How you got different answers? I don't know. Asma, you got? Okay. Look at here now. Area under. Okay, like previous question. Area under PAQ. Half pi r square. R is 2 square. So that is half pi into 4. So that is 2 pi. Correct or no? Half into pi into 2 square. So 2 pi. Agree or no? Yes, Ramsha is correct. Both are same. Okay. Then area under PCS. Half pi into 6 into 6. Answer 3. 18 pi. Okay. Area under QBS. Half pi into 4 into 4. Cut 8 pi. Okay. Then total area 2 plus 18, 12 pi. Correct or no? 2 plus 18 minus 8. So that means 12 pi. 12 pi means previous answer only. This particular question, area and perimeter same, that is 7.71. Okay, complete first all. Okay. Finish. Everyone okay or not? Finish or not? Okay. Hello. Is it okay? Finish? The both answer is that is 7.1 centimeter square. Mansvi, finish or not? Okay. So tomorrow's test is this chapter. Okay. Megan, every Thursday at 9 o'clock there is a test. Okay. Hello, Megan. Hello, Megan. So it's not only one or two questions only. I'll send you the question in our group, so you can answer it in WhatsApp. You can send it to me, not in group. Okay. Within the time we have tried and send it. Neatly write and send it. So so I think we have finished 20 test. I think right. 21 test. Correct or no? I don't know. Let me check. Last test is yeah, 21 test is over. This is the 22nd test is tomorrow. Okay. So every Thursdays you have. Okay. So now next question. So not this portion not coming. Last two Saturday and Monday's portions. Okay. This portion not coming for the test. That will be next week. Okay, next question. AB CP is a quadrant of a circle. Next one, ABCP is a quadrant of a circle. A giant. Giant. There is no excuse. You have to write tomorrow itself. Okay. Only those who are in India, only they can write Friday before 8 o'clock in the morning. Kuwait time 8 o'clock. Those who are in India. Okay. So those who are here, they're supposed to write. Okay. ABCP is a quadrant of a circle. ABCP is a quadrant of a circle. ABCP is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. ABCP is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. With AC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. With AC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Listen. ABCP is a quadrant. ABCP is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. ABCP is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Look, figure is here. Okay. A, B, C, P is a quadrant of a circle. What do you mean by quadrant of a circle? Quadrant of a circle, what is the meaning? Quarter circle. Yes, quarter circle. Okay, then what? With AC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn like this. A semicircle is drawn. With AC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, this is the figure. Okay, question again. A, B, C, P is a quadrant of a circle, quarter circle. With AC this is 14. This is 14. This is 14 centimeter. With AC as diameter, a quarter circle is drawn like this. Okay. Then find the area of the shaded region. Okay, draw figure. Okay. Just draw the figure. I'll explain this one. Don't start. Hello. Don't start. I'll show this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, look at here. I'll explain this question. Listen on. Okay. I just make two parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay. Our requirement is part 3 only. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay. My plan is, the plan is, we will find part 2 only. We'll find part 2. Then we'll find part 2 and 3 and subtract it. Is it okay? Plan okay or not? We'll find part 2 and 3. Then minus part 2. That plan okay or not? Part 2 plus 3 minus part 2. Clear? Is it okay or not? Hello? Our plan okay or not? Okay. So before that, we have to find out AC. You have to find out. Okay. How will find out AC? Hello. How will find out AC? But yeah, AC we can find out. AC we can find out Pythagoras theorem, right? Okay. Look at here AC. Don't write this one. Okay. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So 14 square plus 14 square. 2 into 14 square. So AC equal to 14 root 2. Okay. AC equal to 14 root 2. Okay. Now I'm going to find area of part 1 and part 2. Area of how to get part 2. That's the problem. Listen, I told you find part 2 and 3 and subtract part 2. Before that, you have to get part 2. How? I'll find out area of part 1 plus 2. Part 1 plus part 2 equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. This is a quarter circle. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Correct or no? Area of part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and 2 is a quarter circle. Quarter circle means 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay. So 7 cancel 2. 2 cancel again 2. 2 here 7. How much? 22 into 7 how much? I think 154 centimeter square. Part 1 and 2 is 154 centimeter square. Okay. Then we find out part 1. Area of part 1 half 14 into 14. 7. How much? 98 centimeter square. Okay. We got now part 1 and part 2. Then part 1 also we got it. Therefore, area of part 2 154 minus 98 equal to 56 centimeter square. Okay. After that, now we are going to find area of 2 plus 3. How you find out area of 2 plus 3? Area of 2 plus 3, how you find out? Part 2 semicircle. Okay, you can take the mic and answer it instead of typing. Okay. The area of 2 and 3. Other batch all they're doing like that. The area of 2 and 3 is because 2 and 3 is a semicircle. Correct or no? It's a semicircle. So half pi r square. Half into 22 by 7 into what is the radius? Freshener. What is the radius? Hey, come on. With AC as diameter. Hey, come on. With AC as diameter, yes, Sharon, 7 root 2. With AC as, no, Verona, 7 root 2. Because AC is 14 root 2. AC is 14 root 2. So that means AC has a diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Correct or no? AC has diameter, a semicircle is drawn. So that is 7 root 2. Okay. So cancel, 2 cancel all. 7 cancel. Again, 154 centimeter square. Okay, we got it. Area of 2 plus 3, 154. 2 we got 56. So area of 3, how much you can find out. Clear now? This is one of the star question, super star question. Okay. MCQ also the chances there is. Answer is, final answer is 98 centimeter square. Clear now? Yeah, sector only I use Akshar. Akshar. Area of part 1 and 2 sector only I use. Pi r square theta 90 by 361. Pi r square by 4. समझा ना? Sector area only pi r square theta. Theta is 90 here. 90 divided by 360, that 1 by 4. Clear now? Okay. If you want, I'll give the note. You can write or not, or you want the note. Anyone want the note? Okay, then you write here, sir. Okay, affirm, then write. Everyone have the note. Write first. AC square equal to. Okay, I'll give the note. AC square equal to. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So 14 square plus 14 square equal to 2 into 14 square. Hence, AC equal to 14 root 2. Okay. Then, after that, area of 1 plus 2. You mark it 1, 2, 3. Okay. This letters, this number, which these letters are which letters? Roman, yes. Okay. Roman letters still we are using, like schools and all. Class 1, class 2, class 3, and all. Okay. Still we are using. Okay. Maybe around 2000 years back. They are okay. Okay. Okay, then area of 1 plus 2. Area of 1 plus 2. 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay. So 1 by 4, 22 by 7, 14 into 14. Because this is 14. We got 154 centimeter square. Okay. Next. Area of 1. Half base into height. Half 14 into 14. 98 centimeter square. Okay. Then area of 2. 154 minus 98 equal to 56 centimeter square. 56 centimeter square. Okay. Then area of 2 plus 3. Area of 2 plus 3 equal to half pi r square. And half into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Cancel out, we got 154 centimeter square. Okay. Hence, last line. Hence, area of 3. 154 minus 56. How much that? 98 centimeter square. Okay. Is it okay now? Everyone, centimeter square, Sri Kumaran, not centimeter. Okay. Unit is very important then. Okay. 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 So next question. Right. Is it okay or? Mahi, is it okay? Asma. Okay. So next question then. Okay. Right. In figure AOBCA, AOBCA represent a quadrant. In figure in figure AOBCA represent a quadrant of a circle of radius, a quadrant of a circle of radius, a quadrant of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeter. AO B AOBCA is a quadrant of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay. AOBCA represent a quadrant of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter with center O. Okay. Calculate the area of the shader region. Calculate the area of the shader region. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay. Figure enough. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay. Try now. OD is 2 centimeter. OD is 2 centimeter. OD is 2 centimeter. Okay. Try now. OA AOBC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Then find the area of the shaded region. Hello, find first. Six point 6.125, yes. 6.125 centimeter square. 6.125 centimeter square. Yeah, school open, plan approved. Hello. 20 students in one class. 20 students in one class. Your class, okay. So now this one, first we find 1/4 pi r square. 1/4 pi r square. That is 1/4 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. Okay. 3.5 means 7/2. 1/4 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. How much you got that? How much you got that? 9.625 centimeters square. Okay. Then area of triangle AOD. Area triangle AOD half into 7/2 into 2. 2 cancel. 1.5, right? Sorry, 3.5. 3.5. So answer is 6.125. 6.125. Answer is 6.125. Abir, you got? Okay, so next question. A circular grassy plot of land. A circular grassy plot of land, 42-meter inner diameter. 42-meter inner diameter. A circular grassy plot, 42-meter inner diameter. 42, that means this one, 21. 21 meters. Okay. And has a path 3.5 meter width. A path 3.5 meter width. A path 3.5 meter width. Wide running around it. 3.5 meter wide, running around it on the outside. Running around it on the outside. Find the cost of graveling the path. Find the cost of graveling the path at 4 rupees per square meter. Find the cost of graveling the path at 4 rupees per square meter. 4 rupees per square meter. 4 rupees per square meter. Okay, try now. Question again. A circular grassy plot of land 42 meter in diameter has a path 3.5 meter wide running around it. Find the cost of graveling the path at 4 rupees per square meter. 4 rupees per square meter. Okay, find out. So this is a simple question. How to find area of outer circle minus area of inner circle multiplied by 4. No, a circular plot of 42 meter diameter. Yes, 42 meter in diameter. Yashvi, a circular plot of land 42 meter in diameter. Okay, answer is 2002 rupees. 2002 rupees. Answer is 2002 rupees. Okay. I hope everybody got. Okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. Finish all. Final answer is 2002 rupees. Okay. So next question. Next one. Okay. In figure, in figure, find the area of the shaded region. In figure, find the area of the shaded region. In figure, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi 3.14. Use pi 3.14. Okay. Fine. This is 6. Here is 8. Okay. Okay, find this one. Question clear, no? Find the area shaded region. Nothing given. Okay. From the figure, you have to answer it. Okay. Oh, Freshener, it's wrong. We want the area of the shaded region, not this much. No, I don't think it's correct. 8 and 6. How come such a big answer? 266. Okay. I don't know. This answer is not matching with. Yeah, maybe that's Sridarshini. Sridarshini, that is correct. Sridarshini, rest all wrong. So far, you got answer. Okay. Nia, what do you got? Yeah. No. Yeah, correct. Okay. Look, listen here. All angle 9 degree. So what is this one? All angle 9 degree means what? It is what? Rectangle, right? Hello, it's a rectangle. Clear or not? Then join AC. Okay. Then that is the diagonal. At the same time, it's a diameter. Why? This angle 9 degree. Okay. So AC equal to 6 square plus 8 square. 36 plus 64 equal to 100. AC square. So AC equal to 10. AC equal to 10. Now what? You can find out the area of the area circle. Area of the circle. Pi r square. Pi value is given 3.14. Okay. 3.14 into 5 into 5. Okay, get that one. Then area of the rectangle 48. So subtract, you will get 30.50. 30.50. Okay. Who all made mistakes? Understood? No? First of all, you find AC. Such a big answer. 6 square plus 8 square, that is 10. So diameter is 10, radius is 5. Area of circle minus area rectangle. Final answer is 30.50. 30.50. 30.50. Clear now? Who all made such a big answer? 66.5 Aditya and Freisner. Understood or not? Abel. It's clear now? Okay. So next question. Right. Are you okay all? Final answer is 30.5 centimeters square. Right. A paper is in the form of a rectangle ABCD. A paper is in the form of a paper is in the form 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 of a rectangle ABCD. A paper is in the form of a rectangle ABCD in which AB20 AB20 a paper is in the form of a rectangle ABCD. A, B, C, D. A paper is in the form of a rectangle ABCD in which AB20, okay, BC 14, okay. A semicircular portion, a semicircular portion, a semicircular portion with BC as diameter, is cut off. Find the area of the remaining part. Find the area of the shader part. Find the area of the shader part. Okay, question. A paper is part. A paper is in the form of a rectangle ABCD. A paper is in the form of a rectangle ABCD in which AB 20 and BC 14. Part okay now? AB 20, BC 14. Is it okay? Part. Okay. A semicircular portion, a semicircular portion, a semicircular portion, a semicircular portion with BC as diameter. A semicircular portion with BC as diameter is cut off. A semicircular portion BC as diameter is cut off. Find the area of the remaining part. Find the area of the remaining part. Find the area of the remaining part. Okay, find out. Simple. You find the area of the rectangle minus area of semicircle. Okay. Okay, 203. Yes. Yeah. Okay. 203. Okay. Complete fast all. Mansvi, getting or not? Okay. Doing. I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. Answer is 203. Answer is 203. Okay. Next question. Next one. Right. Find the area of the shader region. Find the area of the shader region. Okay. If ABCD is a square, if ABCD is a square, if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, of side 14 centimeter. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, and APD and BPC are semicircle. APD and APD and BPD, APD, APD and BPD are semicircle. Okay, this is the first figure. Question again. Find the area of a shader region. Find the area of the shader region. If ABCD is a square, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, and APD and BP is a semicircle. APD and BPD are semicircle. APD and BPD are semicircle. Okay. APD and BPD are semicircle. Okay, try now. Question. Question is find the area. Find, yes, 14 centimeter. Find the area of the shader region find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14, 1, 4, and this is 14, 14, 14, 14. Then APD and APD, P here. APD and BPC are semicircle. Okay, diagram. I don't know. Recheck. I think so. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. Yeah, finish it first. First, you find out. Listen. You find out the area. You find out the area of the square minus area of one circle. Yes. Okay. So next question. Is it okay? Next one, right? A horse is placed. A horse is placed for grazing. Answer is 42. Inaya, answer is 42. Area of the square minus area of circle. Okay, no? Okay, next question. A horse is placed for grazing inside the rectangular field. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter. Rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter and is tethered to one corner by a rope. Is tethered to one corner by a rope 21 meter long. 21 meter long. 21 meter long. Question again. A horse is placed for grazing inside the rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter. This is 70. Here is 52. Okay. And is tethered in one corner with a rope like this. This is 21 meter. Here also 21 meter. Okay. Is tethered to one corner by a rope 21 meter long. Okay. How much area can it graze? 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 Understood the question? Hello. Question understood or not? This is a rectangular grassy field, 70 meter and 52 meter. A horse is tethered here with a rope of 21 meter. How much area can graze it? Clear now? Hello. Question clear or not? First line. First line, Mansvi, listen. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter. That means length is 70 meter, breadth is 52 meter, and is tethered. Tethered means what? Tied here in a corner by a rope 21 meter. How much area can it graze? How much area can it graze? Okay, try now. Okay, fine first. $346. Oh, different answer. Nia, come on. You are very favor to horse. You're giving more area to graze. Horse is veg or non-veg? Okay, Leah, check your answer. Parth, you are correct. Parth is correct. No, Dilna. Dinesh. Oh, Dinesh, come on, man. You'll bring a grass from your place. And Dilna, You don't like the horse. That's why you don't give the grass. Freischner, it's wrong, man. Come on. Freischner, check your, read the question. Freischner, again, read. Okay, look at here. Come on. This is 70 and 52. No use. It's a rectangle only showing here. That is, forget about that. Here only horse can go. This area. So what? 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 cancel 3. How much that? That is 346.5. 346.5 meter square. 346.5 meter square. Okay. Hello, Freischner, Nia. Understood or not? Okay. Because this 70 just giving only, no use that. To show it's a rectangle, to show this angle 90 degrees. That's only. You don't want to touch, 70 and 52. Okay, you just find 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay. So Thursday test is only Saturdays and Monday's class only. Today's class not included. Okay. Okay, this is enough today. And now next class when Saturday. Yes, Saturday we'll continue this. Okay, I think you will get 2 more weeks this chapter. Okay.